Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rashmi Gujarati, Professor and Dean of Management in Technia Group of Institution from Delhi, India. Today I am here to deliver you about services of exports open a new path to prosperity. Exports are a hot topic, but generally when people talk about the exports, they are referring to product exports. Did you know? Though that the fast growing type of export is services. More and more companies are finding profits in export services and several trends ensure that these exports will grow rapidly. Service exports are an important emerging trend in global trade. Many traditional manufactured product services exports increasingly contain technology that requires installation, troubleshooting, maintenance and repairs. The increase in service exports is natural outcome of the continued growth of the services economy in North America and the pervasiveness of the internet and the explosion of cloud based communication has enabled information and related services to flow freely across country boundaries. Here my goal is to tell you about the role of global trade industry. I will show you some of the benefits, issues and challenges of export services and some of the issues and challenges as explore some tips on how to export services successfully. What counts as a service export? The natural place to start is to clearly define what exactly a service export is and is not. If people think of anything when they hear the term service exports, they might think of construction services on large foreign infrastructure projects or maybe on rig workers or film stars and production crews of foreign sets. These are definitely some examples, but there is a whole lot more where that come from. A service export is very simple and service provided by a residents in one country to people or companies from another. Here are some broad categories of services that are exported from North America every week. Financial rents paid by a North America residents for property owned outside their house countries, converting into British pound to Canadian dollars for a British bank or arranging the purchase of US stocks for a foreign license and royalty fees paid to tax haven where large companies like Apple and many others have parked there. Intellectual property, know-how, franchisees supports and know-how supplied to foreign franchisees. Architects and engineers designing a project in Abu Dhabi. Call centers supports provided to users for outside the country tax advisors in North America providing advice to foreign companies based in the US or Canada who retest results or compile medical reports about patient located another country. Translation company in North America providing its services to client in Europe. Financial benefit, HR, IT and management support provided to companies North America. Headquarters for the company's foreign subsidiaries, internet and cloud-based software, cloud service providers whose platform is used by companies based outside the home country. Remotely assessing IT systems located outside north south, people based services deliver a team of consultancy traveling to a foreign have exported services. If you have presented an information webinar and any of the participants were located outside your home country was being exported during the webinar, is you are exporting destination in assets with and installing troubleshooting equipment, geologists traveling to a foreign oil production site. The breadth of the service export is enormous, but there is still more. Many services are exported but never cross and physical boundaries. These may sound confused, but here are some examples as like foreigner visits in other country, they books their hotels, their tours, their rental cars while visiting to one country to another country, because they are providing by a service provider in one country to an individual or company. In another country, many companies are already exporting services without realizing it. If you have shared your computer screen with someone outside your country by Skype, for example, to solving problem together, you and your services, you may wonder if there is anything you need to worry about. Some of the challenges associated with service exports including export compliance, VAT and income tax, work visa and immigration tariffs and duties, and data privacy consideration. Whether these issues will be major concern or not depends on service you are exporting and how provided. So I hope you understand the topic of services of export open a new path to prosperity. Thank you very much.